morning, friends. And I'm very sure most of us are kind of mixed feelings and thoughts about the market conditions. With the Trump talking about the ceasefire for 2 weeks, market did give a good gap up. Okay, uh, in fact, solid 500 points, and Bank Nifty to gave almost about 5% upside. Now, for intraday, these are my levels. Okay, if market is sustaining above this blue line, I would probably look for more upside. My view is it may bounce down, give a kind of, because uncertainty is still there. No major moves possible, and being at Sensex expiry, we will see kind of a staggered, slightly bullish or upside move. Okay, so open maybe suddenly open gap down and then try to move up, unless there is some kind of uh, negative responses, or so this can continue till the weekend, because generally Trump comes with something on the weekends. This is the possible view. Now, as I said, this after this possibilities are there that we may suddenly see a gap down, and initial levels I am feeling this could be the strong support area. Okay, see, it was very clear. I think for me the uh, positive was this. Sorry, rather I can say the clue for me came here on the previous day, especially not the uh, what do you say, US oil, but here I had given a short. Looking at this pattern, I given a short, and most of the many people capitalized. Okay, let me share what was the capitalization about. So there were people who made about 12 lakhs profit with puts. Some people made about what do you say, 15k, 20k, and all that. And of course, market gave a sudden down gap, and that helped many of the us to give. And right now, I see a pattern in the crude of this, where it is again uncertain. Maybe possibly, I feel that market can or crude can move this pattern and slight upside. Okay, Nifty also, as I mentioned, there is a bit of down, or it depends if it changes the pattern. This down, what do you say, mm, one moment. So this can also go reverse. Okay, uh, uh, that I can say, what I am trying to say is that pattern can again slowly change in this direction. Okay, where, so if you see right now here, it is like this. Okay, the pattern is, but by going by the data, okay, so pattern is slowly like this. Okay, but we, okay, where it is stuck in this range actually. Yesterday, of course, we were bullish, we took some longs in Sensex. Okay, so slowly it may start moving down like this. Whether it will continue down till here or it will move up also is something which you need to observe. See, basis the today's data changes, we will be able to decide. For me right now, 23,900, 24,000 below. Okay, or 23,980 below, I see a bit of a shorts. Okay, maybe to this level, 23, whatever levels I'm, that's the reason I've drawn this here. But our, if price sustains about 24 1, okay, let me share above this, then I see a bit of bullishness rally today. All right, now couple of stocks have worked, not just couple, many stocks. Let's look at the stocks. Let me open another window. Also, let's remember that these gaps, whatever has happened, are going to be strong support areas now. Okay, it's not. Let me. Okay, where is the stocks? I was Nifty 50 stock. All right. So if you see yesterday, Coal India, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, all this was still down. Okay. ONGC also was down. Okay. But if you ask, whereas other stocks, let us look at the other stock. Tata Motors. Okay. Big gap up. Tata Passenger Motors. Most of the motor stocks, some of the stocks like BPCL, Bajaj, Axis Bank, banks, as we know, most of the financial institutions did have a relief rally because of the crude coming down. See, when crude goes up, financial institutions have to will bear a little bit of brunt. Yes, there will be some positives also. So that we saw in yesterday's. See, if you see ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak, and all these banks were mostly gap up, right? So basically, banks did assist yesterday. Okay. So having said that, now what do you say? Which are the most of the stocks have beaten, correct? So we will see some swings on the upside. You see here, like Tata Steel gave a good upside, SBI gave an upside. Let me look at SBI. HDFC Life Insurance, which has down, has given upside. Now, if you see SBI, already there was a kind of a downward, moving on right from some time after the high up move. Okay. To understand this better, just okay. Now, what is the rally which it has made? It has already made 440%. Sorry, 440, right? So now at this levels, it did have to give some upside or support, which happened, right? Because this is where the rally started, right? The rally started somewhere from here and then started moving up, right? So this is the previous zone which has given, okay? So which happened actually. So now, which stocks am I looking for? I am looking at Hudco. I am looking at uh, what do you say? Already, of course, Adani Green and others were in our radar, which went well. Prestige, we had shared with our subscribers, okay, which was already moving up before even this yesterday's move. Adani Green also same thing. Like if you see, it had already started and gave a good profit. My other stock, which I have already mentioned, is Reliance, which I am looking for upside. Okay, for the next 6 months, sorry, next 2 years, this is going to be a good SIP stock. Apart from that, you may even look at what do you say, uh, HDFC Life, maybe SBI Life Insurance, chemical stocks, right? These should actually give some good returns. Okay, logically speaking. Okay, and now many are also asking their views on gold. So we look at the spot gold right now. There is not much of interaction or what you say happening on gold now. Even if it moves up, I feel it will come down, and then this will there will be a lot of pressure. Okay, there's going to be a lot of pressure here. Right now, it's in the selling zone. Okay, there's just some. It has probably gathered some liquidity here, taken some stop losses. Now we are buying down. We'll have to look at that. We'll also look at US oil. Okay, because okay, it is already here. So let's okay. So yesterday, in fact, I had shared a long position on crude. We are expecting, if you see this, we are looking at a upside now. Okay, this is going to be a strong buying zone. Okay, this particular area. If this is not sustaining, then we will see the next levels, whether down, short, whatever. Okay, and this is going to be a bearish zone, especially this zone, this area. Okay, so market may come till here, take the stop losses of liquidity, and then come down. So this is right now the view. If you have any questions, please put in the when to exit. Actually, exit of Sensex Sedge. Great. Okay. So Nifty, as I said, it is slightly flattish. Okay. So if you have hedge positions, we will have to exit one side and trade on the other side, maybe. So right now the data, as I said, is on the bearish side. So I might the opening decide and go for puts, but I don't want to get trapped here. I'll be very cautious because here I see a possibility sudden upside moves. So there is not much of a scope, but yes, here again I may look at shorting. So this is the pattern I have created. I will have to see the data, the live data, how the operators are trading, and then accordingly I'll decide. Currently, this is my view. Okay, and as I said, this market may go down, or it may break and then start moving up to this level. But above this, I'm strong bull. So below this, I'm still on the bear side. We will see how it goes, and then I'll share you. I'll try and come live data if possible. All right. And this is about crude and Sensex. I think there'll be a huge premium killing, so we will try and exit. We will look for heroes trades maybe after about 2 o'clock or maybe earlier. We will see how data works. Okay. So thanks for joining. God bless you all, and we will have a great day. Hopefully, yeah. And market definitely will treat us well. There are a lot of opportunities. Don't hurry. Don't hurry for trades. I have come with some strategy where, or rather I'm working with a couple of my friends where the trades come to us looking for us. We don't hunt there. That type of strategies we have worked upon. So we are still understanding, doing some more research, and easily you can start trading with the strategy. But we will be teaching them than sharing calls there, because we want to make their lives easier for all of you. So interested may connect to us. We will have some light trading and all that, and even we will teach those strategies, simple strategies, but a combination with data, live data, very very important. You cannot go with the previous day's data. Okay, as I say about previous day data, let us look at what are previous days data. Let us see. FIDI data. Okay, let's go to stock hedge. So just checking. Indrama. Just a minute. I am just looking at certain data on the phone, which I downloaded yesterday, but I didn't read it through. Oh. So the pressure is definitely going to be it will be a very highly volatile market. Okay, initial part or maybe the second half, we will see some big moves. Okay, possible sudden gap down open or maybe gap up open. If it opens above this, then as I said, bullishness. All right, but definitely there is one dip expected and one upside also as per the data, present data. And stocks, I think we have to see. I've still not checked with our stocks. We'll see. I'll share you in some time on the channel. Okay. So thank you and good day to you all.